friends, welcome to my channel. So we have started chapter 2, that is quadratic equations of algebra for class 10th. So today we will continue our practice set 2.2 which we have completed up to question number 4. Now what is the question? Solve the following quadratic equations by factorization method. So we have learnt what is factorization method in previous lecture. So you can first watch previous lecture. Now, what is the fifth question? 2x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. Multiply equation by 2. So when we multiply this equation by 2, so we get 2 into 2x, 4x square minus 2 into 2x, 2 to the 4x plus, now say 1 upon 2 into 2. 2 ones are and 2 ones are gets cancelled. So that we get here 1 is equal to 0. Understood? Why we have multiplied this equation by 2? So we can simplify this equation to get a simpler version. Now see, to factorize this equation means we know that first step is to multiply this first term and last term so that we can remove the factors of it. So what is the first term? 4x square. And what is the last term? Into 1, that is 4x square. So we want two factors such that we get the answer 4x square as a multiplication. Now here plus 4x as addition or subtraction and 4x square as multiplication. Now what are such numbers so we can get 4 as a multiplication as well as 4 as a addition or subtraction? So 2 2s are 4 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So that means the number is 2x into 2x. But see here the sign is positive, no problem. But the sign here is negative. So we must give minus 2x, minus 2x. See, minus minus plus 2x plus 2x, 4x. But the sign of the number is negative. So minus 4x. So similarly we will take here also minus 2x into minus 2x. Minus minus plus 2x into 2x, 4x square. Our factors are minus 2x and minus 2x. Understood? Now next step here is, see, first term as it is. In place of a middle term, we will write these two factors, that is minus 2x and last term as it is equal to 0. Now next step is to remove common. So what is common here? 4 and 2, both the numbers comes in a table of 2, that is 2, and here x also is common, so 2x is common. Now here see, 2 2s are 4 and in x square 1x is removed outside, remaining 1x is inside the bracket, minus here 2x as it is common, so here nothing but 1. In this next two terms, what is common? Nothing, so the common we should take, that is 1, but the sign here is minus, so minus 1. So in bracket minus 1 is outside, remaining part is 2x, minus plus minus 1 ones are 1 is equal to 0. When we get same bracket here, that we are in a correct direction. So here 2x minus 1 in one bracket and remaining terms in another bracket. So 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to this minus 1, when it goes right hand side it becomes plus 1. Similarly here also 2x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 upon 2 or x is equal to 1 upon 2. So we got our two factors, that is 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. Understood? Now next question, question number 6. 6x minus 2 upon x is equal to 1. Now first of all we have to make it in a general form. Make this equation in a general form. So here we don't want x in a denominator. So simply we can multiply it and we can cancel out this denominator. So multiplying multiply equation by x. Now see, 6x into x, 6x square minus 2 upon x into x, we get x and x cancel. So we get 2 is equal to 1 into x, x. We can write 1x as well as x. Shift this x this side. So 6x square, this plus x it will goes here and become minus x, and minus 2 is equal to 0. This is our required equation. Now we will factorize this equation. To factorize the equation, our first step is first term and last term multiplication. So 6x square into minus 2, we get minus 12x square, and here we want minus x means minus 1x as a addition or a subtraction. So which number we get 1 as a addition or subtraction and 12 as a multiplication? 3 4s are 12 and 4 minus 3 is 1. But here we want negative. Also here we want negative. One thing I told you that when we want negative here, we will always take bigger number as a negative. So minus 4x and 3x. So see, minus plus minus, 4 minus 3 is 1, 1x, and bigger number sign minus, so we get minus x. Similarly, minus 4x into 3x. See, minus 4x into 3x, we get 4 3s are 12, x into x, x square, and and minus plus minus. First term as it is, 6x square, and in the place of second term we will write these two factors, that is minus 4x plus 3x, and last term as it is equal to 0. Now we will remove common in between both the numbers or both the terms. Now see what is common here. This 6 and a 4 comes in a table of 2. So 2x, because here both the terms include x. So 2x is common, and 2 3s are 6, and x square, in x square 1x is removed here and remaining x will be in the bracket. Now sign here is minus, and 2 2s are 4, and x we have removed outside the bracket. Now here plus, what is common in these two numbers? Nothing is common, so nothing, then we will write here 1. So 1 is common, 3x plus minus minus 2 as it is. Now here see, both the brackets are same. So 3x minus 2 we will write in a single bracket and remaining terms in another bracket. So 2x plus 1 in another bracket is equal to 0. So we get 2x is equal to plus 1 is equal to 0, or 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. That is 2x is equal to this plus 1, it will go and become minus 1, or 3x is equal to this minus 2, when it will goes right hand side it becomes plus 2. So x is equal to minus 1 upon 2, or x is equal to 2 upon 3. Why? Because here 2 is in the multiplication form, here it will goes in the divide form. Similarly about 3x. The roots of this equation, that is 6x minus 2 upon x is equal to 1, are minus 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. Understood? Okay, next question number 7. They have given one activity here. So we will solve this question by a factorization method. So root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0 is our question. Now see, we want factors here. So first term and last term multiplication. See, root 2x square into 5 root 2. So root 2 into root 2 we get. Everyone know the rule of this. Root 2 into root 2 is 2 itself. That means root 2 into root 2, 2. And here see, root 2 into root 2 is 2 into 5 x square. So we get here 2 into 5, 10x square. Understood? Now here we want factors such that the sum or subtraction of it is 7x. Now here we get the same factors, that is 5 into 2, because 5 into 2 is 10 and 5 plus 2 is 7. See, 5x plus 2x and 5x into 2x is 10x square. So we get two factors, 5x and 2x. Now see, simply we will write both the factors here. First term as it is, instead of this term we will write. Now in this both terms x is common. So x, here what is remaining? Root 2 and 1x in bracket, plus here x is common, remaining is 5. Plus similarly in both the terms, what is common? Root 2. Now why root 2? See, we know that root 2 into root 2 is 2. So here instead of, now here 2 is there and here root 2. But we know root 2 into root 2 is nothing but 2. So we can write in place of 2, can we write root 2 into root 2? In place of 2, can we write root 2 into root 2? So see, here root 2 is common and 1 root 2 is common and 1 root 2 is inside the bracket because x is not common. Plus here root 2 is common, what is remaining? 5. Now see that this both the bracket we have got common, root 2x plus 5, root 2x plus 5. Now x plus root 2 in another in one bracket, x plus root 2 in one bracket, and these both the terms are same. So we will write a single bracket, root 2x plus 5. Next, root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Now see here what is x? This plus 5 it will goes this side, it will become minus 5. This root 2x, it is in the multiplication form. This root 2 it will goes in the denominator here. X is equal to this plus root 2. It will goes in the right hand side and becomes minus root 2. So x is equal to minus root 2. So the roots of this equation are minus 5 upon root 2 or minus root 2. Understood?